Grandpa, please sweep the floor today.
Ah! My back!
Your back hurts before touching the broom?
The broom has dangerous energy.
Yesterday your back was fine.
Yesterday I was younger.
You slept for 10 hours.
Healing takes time.
Funny, your back only hurts near housework.
It is a medical mystery.
But your back feels perfect when eating barbecue.
Food has healing powers.
Stand up and clean.
I cannot. My spine is crying.
Your spine danced at the wedding last week.
That was my younger spine.
Stop acting.
I am not acting. Watch this painful walk.
Why are you limping on the wrong leg?
Pain travels very fast.
Grandpa!
Please respect the elderly.
Elderly people still know how to sweep.
Not heroic old men like me.
Dust attacks?
Very dangerous this season.
Fine. Then I will eat your cake alone.
Wait, my back suddenly feels warmer.
Amazing miracle.
Cake motivates recovery.
Here, take the broom.
Ah! The pain returned!
Faster than lightning.
This broom is cursed.
The only curse here is your laziness.
I worked hard in 1983.
And you retired emotionally after that?
Exactly.
Sweep one room.
Can I supervise instead?
No.
I can give motivational speeches.
The floor does not need motivation.
It needs inspiration.
It needs cleaning.
Maybe the dirt belongs here.
Grandpa,
Fine, I will sweep slowly.
why are you moving like a turtle?
Fast movement damages old bones.
But you ran to answer the ice cream truck yesterday.
Ice cream is an emergency.
Look at this giant pile of dust.
That is family history.
Throw it away.
I think I saw my missing sock there.
Keep sweeping.
My back is making popcorn sounds.
Those are your knees.
Everything is connected.
Why are you sitting down now?
Break time.
You swept for 30 seconds.
Hardest 30 seconds of my life.
The broom is cleaner than the floor.
That means the broom is winning.
Grandpa, move!
Bossy women live longer.
Good. Then I can remind you to clean forever.
That sounds terrifying.
Sweep under the table, too.
Monsters live there.
The only monster here is your excuse factory.
My excuses are handmade.
Your handmade excuses are useless.
Fine, I admit it.
Admit what?
My back only hurts when I see housework.
I knew it.
But now my arms hurt too.
Why?
Because you made me sweep.
Keep talking and you will mop the floor next.
But I'm supervising.
Supervising?
All right, I'm helping.